Hey guys, today I'm gonna be unboxing books, and I think you'll be very happy at what kind of books I'm reading because they are very cute. They are also very knowledgeable, and well, you have fun reading them, just like you do when you read Harry Potter. So let's dive into it. So I received three different packages from three different people, or there are many people in one package, alright? So this is the first one, which is already unboxed because this one arrived like 3-4 days ago, I think, and I didn't know what this was, so I tore it up and then I found that these two books were in it. And these two books are The Blue Umbrella by Ruskin Bond, and this one costs 95 rupees, and it is a very short book and has 83 pages. See? I finished it like in a day or something. It's so cute, right? I will read the summary. The umbrella was like a flower, a great blue flower that sprung up on the dry brown hillside. As soon as Benya saw the beautiful blue silk umbrella, she wanted it. She wanted it so badly that she was willing to exchange it for her lucky leopard's claw pendant. No one in the village had seen such a fine umbrella, and everywhere Benya went, the umbrella went too. There were many who envied Benya for her treasured possession, but the most envious of them was old Ram Bharosa, the shopkeeper, who decided that by some means he must own the blue umbrella. This short and humorous novella captures life in a hill village of Gurhwal, where ordinary characters become heroic and others find opportunities to redeem themselves. So this was all about this book, The Blue Umbrella. It's so funny, and it's got morals and all. The second book that arrived in the first package is The Girl Who Drank the Moon by Kelly Barnhill. Look at this. So this book has how many pages? I gotta look. It's big. It's big, all right. It has 388 pages, and this is a very cute story. I have been reading this, but I haven't got very far. 36 pages. See, I put a bookmark on it, and this costs for 399 rupees. I don't know why I said 4. There is magic in starlight, of course. This is well known. Moonlight, however, this is a different story. Moonlight is magic. Ask anyone you like. Every year, the people of the Protectorate leave a baby as a sacrifice to the witch who lives in the forest. But the witch, Zan, is a kind one. She rescues the children and delivers them to welcoming families on the other side of the forest, nourishing the babies with starlight on the journey. But one year, Zan accidentally feeds a baby moonlight instead of starlight, filling the ordinary child with extraordinary magic. Zan decides she must raise this girl, whom she calls Luna, as her own. As Luna's 13th birthday approaches, her magic begins to emerge, with dangerous and thrilling consequences. This beautifully written, darkly funny, coming-of-age story will enchant and entertain. A gorgeously satisfying novel full of archetypal, bone-deep fairy tale resonances. See, it's great. I think children should read it because this is knowledgeable. It has a couple of morals, and it's worth the money. So these two books of the first package, they they were a surprise to me because the Marathi act that I did so well. Wait, Dada and Uncle and Auntie, this was a gift from them. So thank you, the three of you. I have been loving these two books. This is the first day that they arrived. I loved it, absolutely loving. This one was, I think Amazon didn't pay much attention, but this packaging is fine. But I think it's rainy season, so it must have a little bit of extra protection. Well, let's cut it. Yeah, here. Wait. See, I don't know what books have been held inside this. So, well, we will know. Suspense, thriller. Not thriller, it's suspense, of course. Let's see. Oh! Okay. So the first one is The Magic of the Lost Temple. It's written by Sudhamurti, and she is like by far, I think, one of the most favorite writers, Indian writers of mine. And see, this is very popular book. Over 1.5 lakh copies sold. This contains, I don't think it's so many pages. It's 203. That's little. And this is 250 rupees. And well, I think I shouldn't tell you the summary because you like the suspense, you know. When you first get the book, first read the summary, then start from the very first page. It doesn't matter what it contains. If it has like the author's information, it doesn't matter. You just read it till the last page. Every page. This is so great. This is a great book. I love you, book. I think Mom told me that these two books, Mom and Dad gave them to me. It was their gift. The second one of the second package is The 1,000-Year-Old Boy by Ross Welford. It's a wonderful story, as many describe this, and this is also 399 rupees, and it contains, how many pages? I think 412 pages. Wow, this is not a big book, because I have read up to 600 and 800 page book, so this was like no big deal. Love you, book. So thank you, Mom, Dad, for the second package. And this one, by pressing it, I think this has a better packing because I can feel bubble wraps inside this. Okay, let's cut this one. I don't know. My mom told me that this one's from my brother, Sahil. Oh gosh, sorry. Sorry, it fell. Now, let's look. 3, 2, 1. Oh, see, this is better packing. Oh God! The Kid Who Came from Space. This is an amazing book. Well, now this is your choice. Should I open this cover? Should I, guys? I should? Okay, let's open it. Open it. I think I don't know how to open this, so shoot. I think I'll be doing this the first time because my mom usually opens the books for me. She thinks I might damage them. She's not wrong either. Okay. I just love the smell of new books. They are amazing. Also, this book is a little rare, so it came as the last package. Being a rare, and this is from the same author of this book, The 1,000-Year-Old Boy by Ross Welford, and this one is The Kid Who Came from Space, and it's also written by Ross Welford. This was, rare in the stock. There was only one left in the stock, so it arrived most late. Yeah. So I didn't know, but Mom told me this book. My bro gave me, brother Sahil. Thank you. So see, this is written by the Ross Wilford author, and this is 399 rupees. And let's see how many pages it contains. 359, 60, 61, 361 pages. So these are all the books. I hope you guys liked it, because I will put a lot of effort into these books, like reading it, and I hope to see your review on all of these books. See? Look at the size of all these books. I am just loving this book reunion. So thank you guys. I know you have loved, looking at these fiction books and knowing about them. And I just hope that you guys, are enough of a book lover to buy these books, because I am. I know that. So thanks, guys. Bye.